second pro tip for you is to learn how to throw lures in the surf, because when you do, you're going to find a really fun way to fish. And I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite lures right here. By far, this type of lure, it's kind of like a spoon. This is a Johnston spoon. It also can rig weedless with this little thing here. But this one has been my favorite. I actually got these off of Amazon. I have not used this green one, but I wore out the red one and the blue one, and I think I've got the yellow one on my rig right now, but it comes in a pack of like 5. This is what we've been catching Spanish mackerel on. It's what we've been catching bluefish on, and super easy. This is about 3/4 of an ounce. So much fun to throw these. First thing in the morning, you can throw something like this. This is from Salt Strong. It is the Moonwalker, and I like it that it has these inline hooks. It makes it a lot easier for unhooking fish. I like this type of a setup for the surf. You've got a weighted hook. You're going to need some weight to get this line out into the water to be able to get your lure out there. Different from inshore, because you've got sometimes stronger winds coming at you, and with the waves and everything, you need something with a little bit of weight to get that out further. So something like this with a paddle tail, you're going to get some good action. Or if you have something with a curly tail, that's also good. But I can't remember how much weight this is, but it just gives you enough weight to get it out there. Or you could use, like, here's a Slam Shady Mulligan on a jig head. This is weedless, which you don't really need the weedless in the surf. I think this is a 1/4 of an ounce. Something like this would be like, I believe, a 1/2 ounce jig head. You can tell this is really old. These are just a few of my favorite lures that I like to throw in the